Phonics workshop conducted by Start Smart Learning Academy. This 2 days workshop covers effective phonics teaching methods. It combines theory and practice for educators. It focuses on practical strategies applicable to diverse learning environments. It covers lesson planning, interactive teaching aids, and game-based learning. Through hands-on activities, participants gain experience in creating engaging lessons. They also learn to use Elkonin boxes to visually represent sounds in words. Each element is designed to provide educators with practical tools for effective phonics instruction. Lesson planning is emphasized as a cornerstone of successful teaching. Participants will learn how to create engaging and well-structured phonics lessons. They will explore various methods for introducing new sounds and letters. The use of visual aids, real-life examples, and hands-on activities will be highlighted. The use of game-based learning makes practicing phonics fun and motivating for children. Interactive teaching aids, fostering active participation. Interactive teaching aids play a crucial role in enhancing phonics instruction. These tools move beyond traditional teaching methods. They provide learners with hands-on experiences that make learning more engaging and effective. Workshop highlights the importance of incorporating these aids to cater to different learning styles. Elkonin boxes, a powerful tool for visual learners, are discussed in detail. These boxes help learners segment words into individual sounds. Participants learn how to use Elkonin boxes effectively to build phonemic awareness. They can then apply this to their teaching practice. Participants learn to design charts that are visually appealing and easy for young learners to understand. At the end of the workshop, participants receive a participation certificate and comprehensive notes provided by Start Smart Learning Academy.